Okay, let's open the Lutron app. Is this one here? And here we see the 4 switches, or 4 lights. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here below, there are the peaks, remote controls of each one. If we click here, if we turn it off this way, it turned off. We turn on. Now we go to this one here. This way we can turn it off. We can turn it on. Living room, this one here. The same we can turn off. Turn on the light. Lower intensity, lower intensity. Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up. Turn off. Now to work with the application. So we connect the transmitter here to a port on the router. In this one, we already have it there. And this one, we connect it to the power. Okay, now here on the phone, we open the Lutron app. It says, ready to add device. What are we going to add? Okay, let's add the first dimmer switch. It says to press and hold the button for 10 seconds until the light blinks rapidly. And the screen changes. If the light does not start flashing, follow the instructions to reset the device. To reset the switch, then, we'll go to the dimmer switch. It says to press the button below for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it tells me here that it is in the entrance. Here we see the door. It says to choose where this switch is located, but it's already marked in the entry. And we're going to click next. What kind of light does this switch control? It is a ceiling light. Next. It says now add another device. Let's add another one. This one here, we press for 10 seconds. When it starts blinking, it's ready. So let's locate where it is in the dining room. Next. And what does it illuminate? Cover light. Next. Let's add another one. Dimmer switch. We press for 10 seconds. And we are going to click that it is living room. Next. Cover light. Next, add another one. Now we are going to add the last one we have there. Is this one. It is also another dimmer. We press for 10 seconds. Has already started to blink. It is already configured. Next, it's the same cover light. Next is setting it up. I'm done. Okay, let's open the Lutron app. Look, it's this one here. We open it, and here we see the 4 switches or 4 lights. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And down here are the peaks of each one. When we install the switches of the application, the spikes are installed. So let's start in order with that one over there, which is the one in this entry. In the application says foyer. If we click here, the menu appears. If we turn off here, the light goes out. We turn on the light. That light has double light. We turn it off again so that it turns on completely. If we want to lower the intensity, we lower this bar here. You see how it goes down there? Going down to the level we want or up, increase, increase. And there it is, complete. We turn off and on. We click on the screen. Now let's go to this one here, before. We're going to leave that one over there fully lit. Now let's go to this one here. We close here and we look for the name of this one. Dining room is this icon. The light is on. We can turn it off. We turn it back on. We lower the intensity here. We go down. Down, up, 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 If we want to turn it off or on, we close this one and we have this one here. This one here. This is the living room. This icon here, the same. We can turn off, turn on. Lower intensity, increase intensity, increase intensity. We turn off, we turn on. And we have the last one out here. We open this door. We have this light out here, which is from this dimmer switch. We click on the screen. We look for this one that says exterior light. We click on the icon, we can turn it off and we can turn it on. And the same, decrease intensity, increase intensity. And turn off, we close. And here are the peaks for each light. Each one with its peak. For example, that one over there is this icon. Turns the light off and on. We turn it off and on again. We can turn it on and off through its peak as well. This peak that is here of that light. Every light has its peak, but let's look at this one only. If we click on the peak icon, the menu appears. We can turn off the light. We turn it on again, and we turn off again, and we turn it on again. You see, each one has its peak. Here we see that the outside light was turned off. Through the glass, we see the light is off. We click on the exterior light icon, and we turn on the light. Well, friends, I hope the video has been of some use to you, and I hope the Lutron app serve you well in the future so that you can modernize the lights in your home. I wish you the best and see you in the next video.